Is Thomas Schneider, and this is Speech 2 for Miss Eckerson's Communications 101 class. My title of my speech is Hidden Nation, and let's get going. Spain is a very large country in Europe with a very rich culture and past, but that is not what we are here to learn about today. Today we are going to learn about the tiny nation of Andorra. Andorra is a small nation between France and Spain of only about 181 square miles, which is only about one-fifth the size of our smallest state, Rhode Island, and about 2.5 times the size of Washington, D.C. This is according to the World Atlas, and here is a map of its location in the world. Here is also a map of its location between France and Spain, which you'll see is very important to know. Today I'm going to tell you what makes Andorra unique and interesting. How Andorra became a country. Andorra has been under the rule of both France and Spain at points in its existence. During the 11th century, Andorra was under French rule. By 1505, Andorra had fell under Spanish rule. By the early 1800s, it fell back into French rule, and by 1813, it was annexed by Spain. In 1993, Andorra became a member of the United Nations and revised its constitution. The United States recognizes Andorra as a sovereign nation. In 1993, with the revision of Andorra's constitution, this is when the United States officially recognized Andorra as a country. Andorra has considered itself independent since medieval times. What makes Andorra a unique place worth discussing? Well, Andorra is a very interesting place to be in. Andorra may only have a population of 85,000, but boasts an impressive 10 million tourists each year. That is a huge amount of tourists for such a small area. The national language of Andorra is Castilian. Andorra is nestled in the Pyrenees Mountains, being the highest inhabited country in Europe. Andorra's capital, Andorra la Vella, has the highest elevation of any European nation, its capital, with an elevation of 3,356 feet above sea level. Here's a picture of Andorra's capital. Andorra has a very active tourist season during the winter months for its great skiing. Andorra has some very interesting politics, past and present. Andorra has had some interesting political arrangements. From 1607 till 1993, Andorra had a parliamentary co-principality government, which means that two different leaders from two different countries ruled the country of Andorra. These two leaders are the President of France and the Bishop of Urgell of Spain. This is according to the CIA World Factbook. This government of the parliamentary co-principality government was dissolved in 1993 when Andorra became a democratic government via a new constitution. Andorra does not have a military. This is according to the CIA. Here's an interesting fact about Andorra. During World War II, Andorra declared war on Germany, but did not participate in any of the fighting that took place due to them not having a military. Andorra uses the European euro as its currency, though it does not take part in the European Union. This is according to the U.S. Department of State. In conclusion, Andorra is a very unique country with a very small footprint. It is incredible that such a small landmass has its independence, especially with the many times it has been ruled by other nations. Andorra has a very rich tourist season and is a great place for skiing. It has some interesting quirks to it and a very interesting past. Thank you.